Madmaker shirts available now. 60s retro design, many colors to choose from. Link in the description.
Give us a lowdown.
Old theater, built in 1927. Pretty much restored everything in there.
I had a few messages on Facebook.
Since the dawn of man,
JP Woodwork.
Put any 3D printing in any videos?
there was a post that you did
On Instagram.
with a bunch of makers.
Madmaker shirts available now. Link in the description.
Daniel Arjou.
That you can have right here. Like, I'm in my shop with the computer. This is where I am 90% of the time.
Shape of the Starship Enterprise or something like that.
I was thinking the same thing.
Enjoy it while you're trying to learn it, you know, or trying to figure yourself out.
Actually, I think there's one thing. Is the Wood Barber's been out in the chat all night.
Madmaker shirts available now. 60s retro design, many colors to choose from. Link in the description.
Oh crap, we're broadcasting.
Show what I do and what I like to do, and it just took off from there.
Embrace, is that what you call it?
You know about embracing, so.
I don't know why people decided to frickin' colonize Florida.
It's a start.
It says not dead, can't quit.
We've featured a lot of badass mother truckers that build, inspire, and make, such as Adam McMillan, Bobby Duke, Sterling Davis, Scrollsaw Scribbler, Dirty Smith, Tony Rouleau, Ray Makes, Keith Decent, Bales, JP Woodwork, Daniel Arjou, Jack Bench, Rustic Duck Furniture, Chip Bills, Michael Zerker, Sokomo, I Jessup, Herb Lichtenberg, Wartooth Designs, Heath Knuckles, Rebecca DeGroot, Elm City Vintage, Andy Berkey, Dan the Maker Man, Doc Jared Hildebrand, Northside Custom Craft, Make It Soft, King's Fine Woodworking, 5x30 Woodworking, Mark Lindsay CNC, Works by Solo, Brett McAfee, Al's Hack Shack, Carl Jacobson, Charles Deering, Javi's Wood Shop, Miter Mike's Wood Shop, Temple Boy Turnings, Waylight Creations, Awesome Wood Things, Man Crafting TM, retro shirts and standard shirts available. Check out the description.